Elon Musk's company xAI has launched an API for its AI model, Grok, which is currently only available for premium users of X. The API allows Grok to interact with external tools and analyze text and images. Grok has a rebellious streak and can answer controversial or edgy questions, such as using offensive language. It can also create images, summarize news, and may improve access search and analytics features in the future. xAI is competing with other AI companies like OpenAI and Anthropic, raising $6 billion in funding in May. Musk claims that data from X gives xAI an advantage over competitors, and X recently changed its privacy policy to allow xAI to use X posts to train its models. xAI also plans to use data from Musk's other companies, like Tesla and SpaceX, to improve its technology. However, Tesla shareholders have sued Musk, claiming he is taking away resources from Tesla to focus on xAI. xAI is currently working on the next version of Grok at a Memphis data center, which has faced criticism for causing air pollution. The company hopes to upgrade the data center next year, but needs approval from local authorities first. Do tell us what you think about this video in the comments section, and for more AI news updates, subscribe to AajTak AI.